Plant FAQs. Begonia brevirimosa. Begonia brevirimosa, a gardener's delight. Begonia brevirimosa is a stunning plant that has captivated my heart as a passionate gardener. Its unique foliage, with its striking pink and green variegation, makes it a standout in any garden or indoor plant collection. I want to share my experiences and insights on growing and caring for this beautiful plant, along with tips on propagation and ideal plant companions. Let's delve into the world of Begonia brevirimosa and explore its wonders together. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia brevirimosa? Begonia brevirimosa is a species of begonia known for its distinct and vibrant foliage. Originating from Papua New Guinea, this plant is admired for its large, asymmetrical leaves that display a captivating mix of green and bright pink. The pink coloration intensifies with more light, making it a true showstopper. While it does produce flowers, they are relatively inconspicuous compared to the foliage. Begonia brevirimosa versus exotica. The exotica is a revelation. It's like someone took the brevirimosa and cranked the color dial to 11. The metallic green base explodes with vibrant pink streaks that seem hand-painted. It's a showstopper in any room. Now, my brevirimosa feels a little shy next to it. Begonia brevirimosa exotica needs a bit more light than its brevirimosa cousin, but the payoff is worth it. Those leaves are like living jewels, constantly catching my eye. I may have a new favorite begonia, but the brevirimosa still holds a special place in my heart and my bathroom. How to care for Begonia brevirimosa. Caring for Begonia brevirimosa requires understanding its preferences for light, water, and soil. Here are some essential care tips based on my experience. Light. This begonia thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, so it's best to place it in a spot where it receives filtered light or morning sun. In lower light conditions, the pink hues may fade, so a balance is key. Watering. Begonia brevirimosa prefers consistently moist soil, but is susceptible to root rot if overwatered. I recommend watering when the top inch of soil feels dry. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Humidity. This plant loves high humidity, mimicking its natural tropical habitat. If you live in a dry climate, using a humidity tray or a humidifier can help maintain the necessary moisture levels. Soil. A well-draining, peat-based potting mix is ideal. Adding perlite or orchid bark can improve aeration and drainage. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 weeks. Reduce feeding in fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. How to propagate Begonia brevirimosa. Propagating Begonia brevirimosa is a rewarding process that allows you to share this beautiful plant with others or expand your collection. There are 2 primary methods for propagation: stem cuttings and leaf cuttings. Stem cuttings. Select a healthy stem. Choose a healthy, mature stem with at least 1 node, the point where leaves attach to the stem. Cut the stem. Using a clean, sharp knife or scissors, cut just below the node. Prepare the cutting. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few at the top. Rooting medium. Place the cutting in a glass of water or directly into moist potting soil. If using water, change it every few days to keep it fresh. Provide proper conditions. Place the cutting in a warm, bright location with indirect light. High humidity helps in rooting, so covering the cutting with a plastic bag can create a mini greenhouse effect. Transplanting. Once roots develop, usually within a few weeks, transplant the cutting into a pot with well-draining soil. Leaf cuttings. Select a healthy leaf. Choose a mature, healthy leaf. Cut the leaf. Cut the leaf into sections, ensuring each section has a vein. Prepare the cuttings. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone, optional. Planting. Place the leaf sections on the surface of moist potting soil. Press down gently to ensure good contact. Provide proper conditions. Cover the container with plastic to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Transplanting. Once new plantlets form and are large enough to handle, transplant them into individual pots. What to plant with Begonia brevirimosa. Begonia brevirimosa pairs beautifully with other plants that share similar light and humidity requirements. Here are some great companions. Ferns. Their lush, green foliage complements the variegated leaves of Begonia brevirimosa. Calatheas. These plants thrive in similar conditions and add variety with their own unique foliage patterns. Philodendrons, with their diverse leaf shapes and sizes, they make a great visual contrast. Peperomias, these compact plants add texture and work well in mixed plant displays. Why choose Begonia brevirimosa? Incorporating Begonia brevirimosa into your plant collection is a choice you'll never regret. Its striking appearance and relatively easy care make it a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners. Whether you're looking to brighten up a shady spot in your garden or add a splash of color to your indoor space, Begonia brevirimosa is a perfect choice. Begonia brevirimosa has become a cherished part of my plant collection, and I hope this guide inspires you to grow and care for this magnificent plant. Happy gardening!